Alright, so we're heading out to E11 in just my car, Frugalug and I, Rocket Kid Mystic Boy team. We got a car full of jank, and we're basically going to find all the materials to build this little installation on site. First stop is the Salt Lake City dump. Alright, so we're not actually offloading anything here, I just wanted to drive through here. This is the moment of truth right now. Destination number 2. We found a rancher here in Grantsville. It's going to let us use as much of the wood.
Taking it slow, saving up cheap. Before she knows it, all I ask before she goes home. She's tired of crying, sick of his lies. She suffered him for far too many years of her life. Feeling lonely, scared that he'll say, does he know how over time he drove her away? Saving up for the day when she goes, day when she stands up for everything she tried.
Alright, now we're entering. This is Utah Burn, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Right around, and that's where the greeters are.
The greeters. Are they gonna spank us?
Yeah. If you're lucky.
Is there a problem, officer?
Yes, you need to get out of the car and I need to give you a spanking.
Oh!
It's like gold dust. You hear me coming through your speakers. You see me mashing up your airwaves. I know you can't get enough of my sound. It's like gold dust. You hear me coming through your speakers. You see me blocking up your airwaves. I know you can't get enough of my sound. There's no place to hide, so stop the fight. I'm gonna get it. All this running from me, baby, you're gonna regret it. I can understand why you can't free yourself and let it go, 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 go. Got you in my palm, now listen good, you can't escape it. Bring her to my world and hold you, see if you can take it. Don't you be afraid, I know you're strong enough to make it. Go, go, go. It's like gold dust. You hear me coming through your speakers. You see me mashing up your airwaves. I know you can't get enough of my sound.
Why is it not working? Good job. Definitely the biggest asset to this crew, for sure. For sure.
I don't know where